So on this video, I'm showing you how you can make $50 online with affiliate marketing every single day or every single week. It depends on how you apply the strategy that I am going to show you. Just keep on watching, guys. Let me show you the first step that you need to take that you can use to make this $50 to $100 online. The first step that we need to take is to find the affiliate product that we want to promote to our own audience. So let us go and look for products that we want to promote. So as you can see on the screen here, I have found this website which is called originality.ai. So you need to see what it does and how it can help people that is around you or people that is in demand or fit. So what you need to do is to go around the product to understand what the product is and how it can help people. So what this product is doing, it allows you to fact check every content that people are creating for you to see if the article or blog is AI written content or is a human written content. So that is what this tool is doing for people. You know, today we are in the world of AI and a lot of people are not able to detect what is AI and what is not AI. So this tool will detect your blog or article if it's AI or not AI. That is what this website is doing. So what you need to do is to go to their affiliate program and join their affiliate program. So once you scroll down to the bottom of this website, you are going to find their affiliate program. So this is their affiliate program here. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you here and it's going to tell you that you are going to join their affiliate partner and you are going to be getting roughly 25% from anyone that you refer to this program. How affiliate marketing work is that what you just need to do is to be able to refer people to a particular website, and that is all you just need to do. There is nothing like shipping cost or fee. So only what you just need to do is to be able to explain to people what the product can do, either in your blog or on your video, and people can decide if they want it or not. If they like it, they are going to click your own unique affiliate link and go and purchase the product. So what you need to do is to click on join, and it's going to put you through on how you can join this program and start using it to make money. So you can see earn 25% on commission for the next 12 months. So that is one thing that is very, very good. So you can just go through what is required for you to become an affiliate and how you can get paid. So you can see that you cannot run ad. You can see, can I run ad on Google? Once I click here, you can see no. If you refer yourself, like you went to create another account, you refer yourself to this program, you are not going to get paid. So that is one thing that I just want to let you know. You can only refer people outside, not people inside. So that is one thing that I am trying to let you know. So once you click on how much you can make, I know that is what a lot of people can make. How much can you make from this referring? So you say you can earn 25% commission from every customer that you refer. For every customer that spent let us say for example $20, you are going to get $5. For example, any customer that spent $20, you are going to get $5 as a referral. So that is how this business model, and anyone can do it. I know that you can do it. So I'm not even wondering, how can I sign up? It's very simple. Just click on the sign up button. You enter your first name, last name, email, and password. But what is good about this originality.ai platform is that they are going to automatically approve you, and you can start promoting their program and start using it to make money if it's what is in demand in the niche that you are into. So that is one thing that I just want to let you know. And if you want this website, the link of originality.ai, it will be in the description below. You can check it out. So let us say now you are okay with this. You have the product that you want to promote. Now we have the product, which is originality.ai. We have applied. Once we have applied, they are going to give us our URL just like this. So this will now be my own URL. You can see I joined this program and I have earned like $3, not a lot, but I have made some penny from this program. This business model is what I am doing every single day. You know, I have made some commission from here, and here is my affiliate link. I just need to copy it, and the next thing I need to do is to go and make video or publish this content on my website. If you don't have a website, you can just come to this website, which is called Hostinga, to create your own website. What you need to create a website is your domain and your hosting. So that is what you need to create your own website. And on hosting, they have a Black Friday right now that you can go and take advantage of. You can see that to get your domain and hosting today is just with a minimum amount of $1. So you can just go and take advantage of this Black Friday deals that is available on this website, which is called Hostinger, and create your own website. To create your own website, go to Hostinger and create your own website. I already have my website and I created it on Hostinger. You can go and create your own website too with Hostinger and start using it. If you want to use Hostinger, the link of Hostinger will be in the description below. Just go and check it out. That is it, guys. So let us move to the next section. Once you have created your own website, now is to go and write a blog post about this website, which is called originality.ai. So how can we write a blog post about this website? Either you can write a blog post about this website, or you can do a review, like explaining what this tool can do for people in a video, like showing your screen on what it can do, how you can use it to detect things with your article, and so on and so on. And you publish it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and every other social media platform. And if people require for it, you are going to send them the link. And if they purchase it, if they start using this tool and start like spending money on this tool, you are going to be getting paid. That is first strategy that you can start using to promote this business. The second way that you can use to start promoting this tool is to use your own website. So how can you use your own website? The next thing you need to do is to go and write a blog. That is when ChatGPT comes in to help you to write your blog. So let us go to ChatGPT. So once you come to ChatGPT, like what you are seeing on the screen here, you don't have any idea, you don't know what you want to write about. So what you need to do is to carefully think about what the website is doing and give it to ChatGPT, and let ChatGPT know that you want him to write the blog for you, or you want them to write the blog for you. So what ChatGPT is going to go through what you have given them, like information about what you want to do, and ChatGPT is going to look at that to write the outline and the blog for you. That is what I have done. So I'm going to copy what I have done, because if I start writing, it will be too long. This is what I said. Look at what I write. I want blog post about originality.ai. I want you to write an outline blog on originality, and later I want you to use this outline to write blog post that explain how the tool work and how it can help people, and focus on people who is in demand of the product. You can see what I'm saying here of it, and how it can help them improve their business. Use a good keyword, improve their business. That is what I have asked ChatGPT to do. I explained what he can do once he understand what this tool is, and I still keep on going and say use a good keyword. Keyword is what people are searching for. Let us say best tool, best AI tool, or best way to get ChatGPT for free. All those are keyword. Or how to lose weight is keyword. So I said use a good keyword and title that relate to what people are searching for on Google and ChatGPT and internet and other internet is what I'm trying to say here, and internet, and I still keep on going, and all search engine. I'm trying to say in all search engine. I can just remove this and I put in all search engine. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to explain what I want ChatGPT to do for me. So now that we have done this, and I just need to copy it. I just need to copy the link. This, once I've copied it, the next thing I need to do is to go to ChatGPT and paste it there. So I'll come to ChatGPT with what I have written here, and I will paste this thing. Once I've pasted it, I give it the command. And what you need to do, so this is the prompt that I have just give ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is now thinking about what it's going to do for me. So the first thing you need to do is going to generate out the outline. So this is now the outline of this blog that we want to write about. So you can see. So what I need to do now, I will just copy this part. I don't want to type. I'm lazy, guys. I'm lazy. I'm lazy, guys. So I will just come here and copy and paste in the outline, just to say write the full blog post using the using this outline, and I will click on enter. So what ChatGPT is going to do now is going to use this outline to write out the blog post for me. So while ChatGPT is writing, what you need to do, you need to go to this website, which is called Canva. Come to Canva here, and you need to generate image for this your blog. So come to Canva here, and you can search for like YouTube thumbnail like this, and you can select one of the YouTube thumbnail here. Let us see this one, and I'll click on use template, and it's going to open up. So once it open up here, what you need to do, you need to come here and change the title and put in your own title, put in your own text, remove all these old things that they have added. You can just come here and just type, like, for example, once you type originality.ai, you can just come here and like drag in the things of AI. You can just put like a AI, put in AI here. And once you put in AI here, you can just drag in one AI effect like this one. You can just click on this and make this a background. Make it the background and drag this down and put it here. And you can just change this title and make it originality.ai. Once you have done this, what you need to save this anywhere in your computer. Now, let us go back to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT have done for us. So I will come to ChatGPT here. So as you can see, ChatGPT have done the blog post for us. So what you can do here now is to copy the blog that this ChatGPT have done for you. And once you have copied it, what you need to go to that your website to publish this, to post this your blog. So come to your website here and open one of your blog. This is my WordPress blog. So if you go to You God's Power, that is the website that you are on now. So here you are going to enter the title. Let us post in the body of the blog first. I'm posting the body here, and we are going to remove all these parts that the AI added. So we need to remove all these parts. What is good at ChatGPT on this thing is really fit to ChatGPT. And you can see this is the blog that ChatGPT have done for us. Imagine that we are the one that did this. It is going to be very, very difficult for us. So what we need to do now, we need to remove this, and we just need to optimize everything to make it to look to exactly to what we want. So this is now the title of this our blog. So what we need to do is to remove this heading that is here. So now that we have removed it, this will now be the title of this our blog. So what we need to do, we need to click on this rank math and enter our focus keyword here. And once you enter your focus keyword here, make sure that you enter your focus keyword too on this your title. So we can just come here and remove this section where it said we can put AI detector. Just do something like that. So by doing this, rank math is going to detect this for us. This is just a way that you can optimize your blog, but that is not the purpose of this video. This is just to write a blog. So what you need to do, you need to add a feature image. Click on this section here to add your feature image. Click on post, and here you can enter your feature image. Set a feature image. We can click on upload here, and we can drag in this one that we just downloaded, which is this, and make sure that you enter the keyword on the art test, and make sure you enter it here and enter it here too. This is a way that you can use to optimize your blog, and click on set for feature image. And once you have done that, you just need to go back, and as you can see, the AI is going to tell you what you can do to improve your content. You can just come here, and let us say we can come to this particular area. We can just do AI, to enter AI content detector. You can just put something like that, detector, something like this. And by doing this, you can see the ranking on the rank math editing software to optimize this content is increasing. So let us say we have added everything. Then now we need to go and add our affiliate link. So how can you add your affiliate link? Come to rank math here, affiliate program, copy your affiliate link. Once you have copied it, go back to this your blog, and we can just say this section here is originality.ai. We can like double click it. Once you double click this particular text, this particular word is going to put in a map there, and you click on this link icon and insert your affiliate link like this, and you click on that. As you can see, it will now be an affiliate link, and once we remove our mouse, it's going to be like this. You can do something like this, get to here, and you can just put in our mouse, make it bold, and click on link and add in our affiliate link. That is how you can add in your affiliate link, and it will look like this. If you want to add an image inside this text, just bring your mouse down, click on this plus icon, and you click on image, and you click on library to get the image that you have added, like this one, and you click on import, insert. And once you do that, the image is going to be showing like this. This is just for example. And once you are done with everything, click on save to draft. So this is how the blog is going to look like after you have added your link, you have added your images that you want to add to each session of this blog. Make sure that you come to Canva to design the image according to what you want, and come back to this your blog and add it inside your blog. So what you need to do is to preview the blog. Click on preview and preview in new tab. And once you click on preview in new tab, it's going to display like this. So this is now your blog, and this is how it's going to display to your own audience. So what you need to do is to insert your affiliate link inside this your blog and retouch it. One thing that I didn't talk about is retouching of this your blog. You know, this content is written with AI, so you need to retouch it, make it look different, and go to this website, which is originality.ai, to check this your content if it's still showing as AI written content or a human written content. This is going to help you for ranking on Google search engine. That is one thing that I just want to let you know, guys. So now you know how you can make $50 to $100 every single day or every single week with blogging online. So I would say thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section, guys. I really want to hear what you think. Don't forget, like, share, and leave me a comment. If you want to learn how you can make money with Pinterest with affiliate marketing, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace.